Welcome to my channel, steveO, the window cleaner. Today I just want to show you guys the difference between the Xero aluminum rinse bar and the new Xero plastic rinse bar as far as the flow of what comes from the aluminum splays out. The plastic is just going to be a straight bar, straight jets coming out, no splay at all. So you can now get the Xero rinse bar in this plastic form. This will attach to the 10-inch blocks, which is the actual 12-inch brush with the 12-inch splay, or you can have the aluminum version here. So both very similar. They both attach the same way. You can use the same screws that came with your brush originally. They just have the holes right along there. Same with the aluminum version there. And simply, I'm just going to show you how the water comes out of them so you have a real good idea of what you're getting when you purchase. Currently, these are available in 12-inch and 18-inch, and this is just available in 12-inch. Also going to use the new Xero high flow hose here to hook up and show you the different flow rates out of there. This high flow hose will double the flow rate from if you're using a 5/16 hose with a 3/16 inner diameter like the other Xero hose that's available. There we are. Turn this on. Okay, so with the new plastic rinse bar, so this is a 10mm to 8mm push to fit. You're gonna get a crazy amount of flow there. So some people just prefer this style of rinse bar rather than having a splay. So if you do prefer that, you can just get these. And these are just $29.99. So super good price. You just connect the push to fit to there. Technically, you could just put this reducer directly on there. I just have this because this is our brush connection to go from this 10mm hose outer diameter to the 5/16 hose. So then, if we were to disconnect that and put this on the other rinse bar, so you can see the big difference, you'll now receive a splay. So the splay of water is actually really good when you're not going to remove this from the window at all. But if you have the splay, let me kind of show you on a window real quick of what I like to do with the splay compared to when it is just the straight bar like the other one. So when I have a splay, and if I really like to remove the brush from the glass when I rinse, I'm only removing it a little bit, so I'm not getting water just in crazy amount of areas. Just like that. So the splay looks like that on the glass. It's just shooting out kind of over the sides, covering that bristle there. You can see with this high flow hose, you're getting a tremendous amount of water. I am using the Xero Pure Max, but it's cold, so it's producing a little less water during this time of year. But I'll show you the other one on the glass too, if I'm going to do it with this one, so you can get a good idea of exactly what that is. If you're wondering what these poles are, this is the Xero Trad 12. You can always use these as water fed poles. This is the Maker Mini, same thing, you can use this as a water fed pole. Crazy amount of pressure. So that is just going to have that straight splay. Boom. So those are the differences between the Xero aluminum rinse bar and the plastic rinse bar. You can find these both at windowcleaner.com. I'll also have links below in the description that if you'd like to purchase through that gives me credit, or you can contact me at 970-599-1437. Hope you all having a good winter. Bye-bye.